Here we are. Today was delivery day. We got our packages in for the car. I'm excited. So, you know what we should do? Let's do a cold start up. Because we got to move the car out of the way so we can open up our packages. Give me 1 second. And since we gotta move that thing out of the way, let's do a cold start up on that too. (2014) GMC Terrain. Boxes. I got one more. One last box. Huh? Alright. One more minute. Scissors. Let's see what's in box number 1. Hold on. Another box. Here it is. Here is the piece we are going to be replacing. Eh? Eh? We're not doing it today though. Sorry. This is just the unveiling. I should probably put that back in the box. And this is just the installation kit for that. Get some new toes, some new hardware. Gotta make sure you have new hardware, right? Alright. And this one I'm also excited about. New plugs and coils. Gonna make her run good. Those we're gonna do. These we're gonna do in the same video with the intake manifold. Invoice sticker. And this one I'm not showing you. This is going to be a surprise. So we're going to put this back in here. We're going to hide that one. This OBD11. This is what I can plug into the car, and it's going to wirelessly connect to a phone. So that way I can check all the codes, I can change over a few things, but the only bad part is it only connects to an Android, so I have an Android to go with it. Okay. Wow. I got a coupon for $100 on wine. Ooh. not useful. But I'm excited about this one. But again, you can't see it, so it's going to the side. That's for another video. Excited about these coils. We got some plugs. And again, we got wine. Yeah. But this is what I really want to go check out, so let's go check it out. Alright, here we are in the car. I wanted to go ahead and test out the OBD11. Let's. Alright, got it in there. Start the car up. Oop. Alright, I was jamming. Alright. Let's go ahead and turn this on. Alright, so I got it connected. I forgot to have it connect via Bluetooth, so I got that done while we were off camera there. And this is what it's doing at the moment. So we're just going to go ahead and leave it there for a little bit. See what we can do. I'll come back to you in just a moment. Okay, here we are, all connected, all updated, so we're going to go ahead and do our first scan. So it said it found 3 problems, and we can already see right there on the engine that it's already got a red number 1 there. Oh, control and radio. Alright, let's go see what the engine one is. See? Intake manifold runner. See, it's an intermittent error. And that's what we're going to replace. Alright, so this is a pretty cool app here. I've been messing with it a little bit here and there, but I'm going to have to go ahead and make a whole video on just this OBD11 tool. It's pretty cool. It's showing me the live engine speed right now. I'm trying to make it so you can see, but it's kind of hard here. So, but you can kind of see. Moves right along with the car. Almost pretty close. Pretty nifty. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and end this for now. We're going to go ahead and, like I said, make a whole video on that one day so that way I can show you all that. There's a lot to learn about this little tool, so I'll definitely show you guys all that. But for now, I think I'm just going to go ahead and show you the last thing I did here. I did the gauge sweep, so you'll be able to see it sweep across. Oh yeah, that's pretty cool. Alright, so that's going to be it today. You got to see a little bit of the OBD11. We got our packages opened, so you got to see those. One more surprise coming yet, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit the little bell there, so that way you can be notified of the next video. Other than that, this vlog's over. Peace out, y'all.